Hi, I'm Jem from Worthing Theatres. I'm jumping today as the early bird for pantomime because we have two pantos this year, Aladdin and Snow White, and I'm going to be flying around the town bringing 10% discounts to everybody before the 31st of October. Never done anything like this before, so it's a definite first today. I'm absolutely terrified, completely petrified, but it should be really fun and I'm really looking forward to it.
3, 2, 1, off you go, Gemma! Wow, right, we're going to move on. As Deborah's done so well, we're going to move on to our next flight. Ladies and gentlemen, I think we're already the man who put jumping on the map in the UK. Will you please give a huge round of applause for Eddie Edwards?
Kiss a wave, girl!